Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to English Basics, your go-to channel for mastering the essentials of English. Today, we've got something exciting lined up for you. Ever wondered how to confidently use subjects with the verb to be? Well, wonder no more. We'll be breaking it down with some fun and easy-to-understand examples. Let's take a quick look. Repeat after me. I am. I'm Sarah. We are. We are friends. You are. You are learning. They are. They are running. I am. I'm sitting. We are. We are eating. You are. You are listening. They are. They are playing. I am. I am writing. We are. We are walking. You are. You are going. They are. They are dancing. I am. I am buying. We are. We are working. You are. You are calling. They are. They are selling. I am. I am reading. We are. We are diving. You You are. You are smiling. They. They are. They are jumping. I am. I'm telling you. We are. We are finding. You are. You are here. They are. They are fine. I am. I am tired. We are. We are happy. You are. You are giving. They are. They're taking. Wow! You've made it to the end of our lesson on practicing subjects with the verb to be. I hope you found it fun and helpful. Remember, the key to mastering English is consistent practice, so keep at it. Practice makes perfect. Keep using these examples in your daily conversations, and soon enough, you'll be speaking English with confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Basics for more awesome English lessons. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.